Most people still don't know this, and that's that you can actually get paid directly from Facebook just for posting. Not because you're a celebrity or an influencer, but just everyday people like you and me. All it comes down to is strategy, consistency, and engagement. But here's the twist that most creators are actually missing, and that is Facebook monetization shouldn't be your only income stream. Smart creators are stacking second revenue streams like print on demand, using Printify as their tool to ensure a consistent paycheck no matter what happens with Facebook's through all of the ups and downs. So today I'm going to cover both and show you how Facebook can pay fast. Like on Sunday, I posted a very simple meme, and by Tuesday it had over 1 million views, tons of engagement, and Facebook paid me for that. And how I'm plugging my print-on-demand Etsy store in order to double my income. And that's without inventory, shipping, or any upfront costs, and the fact that it is all completely automated on the back end. So first and foremost, you must know what matters most when it comes to the Facebook content monetization program and how and why you actually earn from that. So you can earn from photos, videos, reels, text posts, and stories. Now, Facebook often changes their algorithms, but photos do continue paying me very, very well, which we're going to get into more details as we go here. So your job is simply to post content that people actually want to engage with, that keeps them watching longer and coming back for more. So Facebook's main goal is to keep users on their platform. That is their main goal. So if you can do that, they're going to reward you heavily. And what keeps people engaged and communicating on the platform is things that are emotional in topic or things that are polarizing in topic, that gets people having a discussion back and forth with one another. And then once you find something that gets people to engage, you want to double down on that and do more of it. And as that engagement continues to spike, then you want to plug in income stream number 2, which is print on demand, and to actually offer your audience something in relation to what they're already passionate about on your page. And that, again, we'll get into in further detail at the end of this video. So number 2, you have to make sure that your Facebook profile is actually eligible for content monetization. If you're doing this from a personal page, you would want to then make sure that you turn on professional mode on that page. In order to do that, you want to go to your profile, click on those 3 dots, and turn on professional mode. And if you're doing it from a business page, that will already be there available for you, and you can just let them know that you would like to be invited, and then you just wait it out. And Facebook will continue to update you on which programs that are available to you. So that's the most simple part. Just do that and then move to the next step. So what actually works when it comes to posting on Facebook? You can post your own photos that you take with long story posts that do really, really well. You can post educational content. You can post your own motivational quotes and just niche-based content in general, whether it's for pets or skincare or business. The key is to tap into something that you're knowledgeable about and passionate about. And just know and understand that it is the engagement and the inconsistency that is going to help you win over time. And rinse and repeat. Once you find something that works, really hammer in on that. Do it over and over and over again, with the emphasis that it must be unique content, right? You have to put your own unique spin on it, or Facebook will suppress your content. And number 4, join the programs as Facebook invites you. They do a stair-step approach to content monetization and usually start you off with stars. And stars is where your audience can actually send you stars or gifts that equate to money on your content. And so you can educate your followers that they can click the little star icon on your post in order to reward you or say give you a tip for that content. content. Now, this is not one of my favorite ways to earn on Facebook. However, it is good to take advantage of it while you're waiting for some of the other features to be unlocked. So you can get invited to the content monetization program faster by posting consistently, increasing your reach by utilizing Facebook groups, driving engagement, encouraging people to join in the conversation and talking back and forth with those who comment, and make sure that you're sharing things that are actually share worthy. Before you post something, ask yourself, will my followers want to share this, right? If they will want to share it, then that's going to also increase your reach and your visibility. Now, when it comes to the number of times that you actually post, there isn't really one set answer for this. It really depends on the kind of content that you're doing and what your actual goals are. But the minimum amount that I would post is once per day. And if you really want to gain some traction, 3 to 5 times per day. And if you're building a theme page like I do, then I personally post, 10 to 20 times per day. And to some people that may sound excessive, but this is what works for me. I've repeated in many videos, there are some creators that can post just once a day and even earn more than I do, but it's really going to be an individual thing. And then once Facebook invites you, you have to set up your payments in your dashboard. And yes, it is safe to do this. And number 5, your Facebook page should be set up for optimal engagement. Facebook absolutely loves conversation, controversy, polarizing opinions, relatable life moments, and anything that gets comments, shares, and debates. And I know some of you guys are afraid of negative feedback. However, when people are arguing, Facebook is actually going to push your content more. And that equals more pay. So just let them have at it. And number 6, add revenue stream number 2, which is print on demand using a free platform called Printify. And here's why print on demand is absolutely genius for Facebook creators. There's no risk because you do not have to hold inventory, you do not have to do stressful shipping, there are no startup costs, and you can get products in the hands of your customers all across the world. So I'm going to leave a free sign up link for you down below in the description of this video. And once you are all signed up for free, Printify is going to let you create products quickly, such as t-shirts that you can share on your theme page, mugs, cutting boards, glass cups, blankets. The options are really endless. You can connect a Printify account to an Etsy store, have that all set up within 24 hours, and then have 2 ways to generate customers to that store with your theme page and the buyers in the Etsy marketplace. So if you want an income stream that runs in the background while Facebook pays you on the front end for posting, then you definitely want to get set up with Printify today and incorporate this into your posting plan. So here's how you actually deploy this on your Facebook theme page. You build that niche audience on Facebook utilizing Facebook groups and ads and posting things that people naturally want to share to bring that audience into you. Then you create products inside of Printify that audience will be interested in purchasing. So for example, if you have a Chihuahua theme page, you can create all sorts of different t-shirts, mugs, and blankets for Chihuahua lovers. Post about it on your page, and as you build that community, they are naturally going to want to support you, your page, and any products that you share with them. Now, of course, this takes a little bit of time to build that trust, but once you do, you can drop almost anything in an Etsy store and your community will come to support you. And this is how some creators are going from $62 payouts to $6,000 months. Now, of course, that's not guaranteed. All business takes work, consistency, learning, putting in the time, and all business includes risk. However, it is a proven business model. If others can do it, you know that you can too if you're willing to put in the work. So start small, work on building all of the necessary skill sets that it takes to scale, and then stack multiple income streams. Now, number 7, let's talk about some things that you must avoid in order to stay monetized and so that Facebook doesn't slap you with restrictions, which yes, has happened to me. Gotten demonetized for a small amount of time, but I got that back. So let's cover some of the things that you really need to make sure that you're being diligent with. Reposting other people's content or just straight up copying someone else. Facebook wants original content, and I cannot stress stress that enough. Now, you can take inspiration and ideas from other creators, and that is totally okay. You also cannot ask people to engage because you get paid, right? You can encourage engagement, but not directly ask them because it pays you. And I really encourage you to read through all of Facebook's rules and what they do not allow you to post about, because you may think that you're doing everything right and then later learn that you shouldn't be posting what you were. So for me personally, I actually got demonetized for talking about some political type of content and the V, which most of these platforms do not like you to speak about. So I actually had to go and remove all of that content in order to get remonetized again. But I want to encourage you that if for some reason you get a restriction or something along those lines, do not quit, right? This is the name of the game. It happens on all of these platforms, from YouTube to Etsy to Facebook to Instagram to TikTok, right? It's just something that you have to deal with along your creator journey. All that tells you is that you need to stick it out, keep going, and not put all of your eggs in one basket, which is why I highly recommend including print on demand in that business model to safeguard your income. So if you're ready to stop posting for free, go ahead and turn on that professional mode, track your analytics, and repeat what works. And if you want to scale your income faster than 99% of other creators, make sure that you get plugged into Printify and start your own print on demand store. This is the easiest way to launch your own products without upfront costs. So if you got value from this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for the algorithm. I'm here to give you the strategies so your social media accounts actually pay you. And I have tons of step-by-step tutorials over on my YouTube channel, so be sure to pop over there and watch them. And to take this seriously, I would love to invite you into my full course and live coaching community. You can find all of those best resources down below in the description box. Make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.